Maybe you're not. Fancy. Looks like somebody's. Oh my gosh, something's it's taking off. Oh, it's loud, it's loud, it's loud. It's loud, it's loud. Bro, that airplane's loud. United Airlines. I think. Yo! Whoa! Oh yeah, I saw Philippines over there. I saw Philippine Airlines over there. Whoa! Yo! United Airlines! This motherfucker is loud! Oh my gosh! Bro, that's the only plane I saw up close. Oh! I see Hawaiian Airlines. No way! That's like there's another airplane coming. It's Hawaiian Airlines. But it's Alaskan Airlines now. Almost shut down. I'm just good at recording airplanes. Oh, it's gonna take a while. It's still flying. Oh, it takes so long to take off. Oh yeah, I think I saw an airplane that crashes all the time. Birdie. Birdie, watch out! There's an airplane taking off! You dumb birdie. I'm just hoping it doesn't get to where it's taking off. I hear it, I hear it. It's gonna take off soon. Hawaiian Airlines. Oh! Lengang guli 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 wanta lengang gu lengang gu lengang. Auntie! I hear it. Auntie, it's taking off. By the way, it's my birthday. Hawaiian Airlines. It's half. It's an A320. It's an A320. It's an A320. No way. Oh. Bro, this is crazy. Oh, I see another plane. It's so small.
Every 10 minutes.
Oh my gosh, it's a little plane.
It's the private things.
It's riding into the clouds. There it goes. Oh! Oh! Stupid plant. Bro, the plant keeps on touching me. I'm a minor. Frick! I might get front ends on the side. Frick! Daddy!
Guys, helicopter coming.
Ah!
No more coming already.
No!
What's your name?
Koa.
Paul?
Koa.
Goa?
Yeah.
No more. Oh yeah, no more school. What grade you are now?
I'm in 3.
Grade 3?
Yeah. Oh, this is crazy, Mom.
I thought too.